In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the ultimate Italian coffee, a wet cappuccino. Gather 16 to 18 grams of coffee beans depending on your basket size. Extract a short double espresso into your cup. Foam and texture the required quantity of milk, and always remember more foam than the steam milk. The best temperature of milk for cappuccino is between 55 to 65 degrees centigrade. This temperature range ensures the milk is heated enough to develop a smooth creamy texture and stable foam, while also preventing it from being overheated and losing its sweetness or burning. At 55 to 65 degrees centigrade, the whey protein in the milk denatures optimally to absorb into air and creates a stable and velvety foam. Gently swirl the milk to release any large air bubbles and tap the milk jug against a counter to remove any stubborn bubbles. Pour the milk over the espresso from a low height for a smooth drink. Finish by giving the milk a slight wiggle to ensure foam transfers from milk jug to the cup to top of your cappuccino. That's a cappuccino, the ultimate Italian coffee, perfectly poured by your barista.